Welcome to Littelfuse University. When working in or selling to the construction market, there are a handful of fuses and related products that are most commonly specified by consulting engineers and used by contractors to provide the needed overcurrent protection. In this 3-minute module, we focus on those fuses and review some of the performance features and benefits of each. For starters, the fuse type still most commonly found in construction and therefore MRO replacement applications is the UL-listed Class RK5 fuse series. Available up to 600 amperes in both indicating and non-indicating versions, the time delay 250 volt rated FLNR and FLNR-ID series and the 600 volt rated FLSR and FLSR-ID series provide general purpose short circuit and overload protection for a wide variety of applications, particularly those involving motors and transformers. For switchboard mains, service feeders, and larger motors, contractors should use UL-listed Class L fuses. The time delay 600 volt KLLU series, rated up to 4,000 amperes, meets or exceeds UL requirements while providing a more cost-effective alternative to the specification grade KLPC series, which is available up to 6,000 amperes if needed for larger loads. And if 600 volt rated fuses are insufficient for your contractor's needs, keep in mind that Littelfuse PowerGuard also offers a comprehensive line of medium voltage fuses up to 38,000 volts AC. Available with pin indication and a variety of barrel designs and mounting configurations, E-rated and R-rated medium voltage fuses provide fault current protection for transformer and motors, respectively. Contact Littelfuse for details on our breadth of U.S.-based inventory available for your contractor's critical needs. Shrinking in size, but not performance, the UL-listed Class T fuses are less than 1/3 the size of comparable Class R fuses. Used for short-circuit-only protection of variable speed drives and surge-sensitive equipment, the 300-volt JLLN series and the 600-volt JLLS series provide contractors with critical protection on non-inductive circuits and equipment found in the construction market. Shifting focus to UL supplemental fuses, Littelfuse PowerGuard offers the complete line of 10 by 38 mm dimension fuses commonly referred to as midgets. Available in ratings up to 1,000 volts and 30 amps, contractors use fast-acting midget fuses to protect control and meter circuits, HID, street and electronic lighting, UPS equipment, and solar combiner boxes. Time delay options protect circuits with high inrush, including small motors and control power transformers. Although often thought of as just an OEM product, keep in mind that contractors working on new construction will also often need fuse blocks to hold the fuses being installed. The Littelfuse LF series of fuse blocks provide space savings with a smaller footprint and time-saving blown fuse indication on many sizes. Matching fuse block covers are also available to any customers requiring such. Speaking of fuse holders, many contractors focus on street and parking lot lighting and other similar outdoor illuminated signs and fixtures. For those customers, make sure they're aware of our extensive line of 600 volt rated inline watertight fuse holders. Rated up to 30 amperes for use with midget-sized fuses, the LEB and LEX series fuse holders allow maximum flexibility for high humidity and or corrosive environments where fuses are required or preferred. Our improved design increases safety by offering breakaway designs and individual device disconnect for easy servicing. Contractors that need custom-built electrical panels designed to meet code requirements while providing fused or non-fused disconnect switches should look to use PowerGuard pre-engineered solutions. The LPS series power switch provides individual fused shunt trip protection that meets selective coordination requirements typically found on elevator disconnect switch applications. The LCP series coordination panel provides a time-saving solution where multiple lighting circuits or essential electrical systems require selective coordination. And last but not least, many contractors are stepping outside the world of fuses and also getting involved with other devices to reliably safeguard equipment and personnel. Rounding out our ever-growing portfolio of protection products, we also now offer protection relays. Two unique examples of this are the Littelfuse PGR8800 arc flash relay and the industrial shock block. The arc flash relay minimizes damage by rapidly detecting an arc flash in less than 1 millisecond to send a trip signal to interrupt power. And the 600 volt rated shock block is a special purpose GFCI that detects leakage current and interrupts the circuit, significantly reducing or eliminating the shock potential. Both are UL listed and finding more applications, especially with building design engineer firms. Our history and experience in the construction market shows that at some point, just about every fuse in our catalog has been used in, quote, construction applications. But it's the fuses, fuse holders, and pre-engineered solutions briefly touched on here that are by far the most common types used. Distributors, make sure you have sufficient product mixes and quantities of these on your shelves to help you better service your existing and new contractor customers. Thank you for your interest and for taking the time to review this 3-minute module. As with all Littelfuse products, additional technical information is available on the web or by contacting our tech line. Please be sure to review the other training modules on Littelfuse University to learn more.